remove the old water heater and install the new one here that has a power vent. So when this thing is running, there's a vent that turns on and it pushes the air out. That way we could finish it right there instead of venting it all the way up to the roof. This last video was taken by Terry Davis from Adore Wood Floors, demonstrating his final work after he sanded, stained, and applied a few coats of clear. And he also did the quarter round from existing wood in the house. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.